In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Discord link to your YouTube channel. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, so by the end, your viewers will be able to find and join your Discord server directly from your channel page. This is a great way to build a community around your content and keep conversations going even when you're not live or uploading. First, open YouTube in your web browser and make sure you're signed in to the account that owns the channel you want to edit. This is important because you need access to YouTube Studio and your channel customization settings. Once you're signed in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, choose YouTube Studio. This will take you to your creator dashboard, where you can manage everything about your channel. On the left-hand side of YouTube Studio, look for the section labeled Customization and click on it. This is where you can control how your channel looks to your viewers. Inside the customization area, you'll see several tabs. Select the one that says Basic Info. This is where you'll be able to add links that appear on your channel banner. Before you paste anything into YouTube, open a new tab and go to Discord. Navigate to your server and find the invite link you want to share. If you don't already have one, create an invite from your server's settings or from an invite channel, and make sure the link settings match what you need. For example, if you want the link to work permanently, set it so it doesn't expire. When you're happy with your invite settings, copy the full Discord invite URL. Now, go back to the YouTube Studio tab. In the Basic Info section, scroll down until you see the Links area. Click on Add Link. In the title field, type something clear like, Join my Discord, so viewers immediately know what the link is for. Then, in the URL field, paste the Discord invite link you copied earlier. If you want this Discord link to show on your channel banner, make sure it's included in the number of links set to appear on your banner in the same section. Adjust that drop-down if needed so your Discord link is visible. When everything looks correct, scroll up or down and click Publish to save your changes. Now, visit your channel as a viewer and check your banner or About tab to confirm the Discord link is showing and working properly. And that's it. You've successfully added a Discord link to your YouTube channel, making it easier than ever for your audience to connect with you and each other.